So today is our third day and final day of our 3-day weekend training, our Detail Czar certified detailer licensee training. We have our graduate here, Mark Tanner from the Akron, Ohio area. He's been here pretty much all weekend. So what did you think of the business training, Mark?
The business training on Friday, watching the videos. I initially started the videos a day ahead of time, went through the videos, and as I was going through the videos, I realized there was a whole lot of more information there than I had anticipated.
Sure.
So right off the bat, I was overwhelmed, but I was not discouraged.
Right. Did it help you?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
Excellent. A lot of good stuff.
Yes, indeed.
Business plan, permits, licenses, cross-selling,
The insurance you
upselling,
have to have, the cross-selling,
everything.
the upselling, just going all the way down into what groups can help you start a business. Not so much the financing part of it, but what to look into to
Right.
help prep the business model.
So it definitely prepared you.
Yeah,
Definitely helped prepare you.
Absolutely.
What did you think of the exterior training day? We did the wash up, the paint polishing, did some paint correction, ceramic coating.
There was a whole lot more there than I initially thought there was when it came to prepping a car just to get it even just a wash.
Sure.
The pre-wash and whatnot, what you're going through. The taping off, I never thought in a million years you tape off a car to wash, but now I know why. There's a lot of detail involved just going into the pre-wash and a wash long before you ever touch the interior. Under the hood, I used to detail hoods under the hood all the time.
Sure.
A lot more intricacies, a lot more touch, a lot more thought process behind it. And then the ceramic coating, I thought was really interesting. I learned a lot with the ceramic coating, and also saw what it could do after the fact, after it sat, and after what it looked like a day of sitting.
Good money maker there too,
Yes,
and very fulfilling.
very fulfilling.
Excellent.
It's kind of why you do this. You get that feeling like, look what I did. And so,
And headlight restoration.
oh, we
amazing.
just did the headlight registration. The restoring
The
of the headlights.
yeah.
I really didn't think it was going to look like that, and I had bought pre-headlight restoration kits before, and they didn't.
The auto
even
parts
come close
store,
to what
right.
This did. Yep.
So that's another business opportunity,
Absolutely.
a revenue generator for you. And then the interior day. Today was the final day for the
Yeah,
interior.
the interior, that really surprised me. The car we had today wasn't too bad, but once you got into it, there's a lot of intricacies that
Yep.
you don't think about that you can miss left and right. Lord knows I left a couple of those and got caught. But yeah.
I caught a couple more, by the way,
Oh,
outside.
did you?
She loved it, though. She just came to pick
You
it
don't
up.
know if that was me or one of the other guys.
It was on your side.
Oh, okay. But no, so I learned a lot there too. And when we were finished with that car, even though it already came in not that bad, it left here 10 times better than
Yep,
what it left here.
absolutely. Would you refer others to come to this
Absolutely,
training?
yes. And I actually
Join our
might
licensee
even have
program?
somebody in mind to already
Excellent.
send to. So.
Well, thank you so much, man. You're a great student and
Thank you.
had some good stories to share this weekend.
Yeah, you cut me off and kept me on track though,
That's
because I
it.
do like to talk.
That's it. I got to go home and take a couple bear aspirin, but I'll be all right.
All right. Thank you again, Nick.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Mark.